pages, open the pages, open the pages. Busy Izzy's healthy recipe book. Open the pages and look. Choose a recipe we can cook in Busy Izzy's healthy, natural, tasty, everyday recipe book.
Hi guys, and today I'm going to be making dog snacks from Busy Izzy and Truly. You will be needing mashed banana, oats, rice flour, oil, honey and grated carrots. Now mix it all together. Here goes the carrot. Put all your ingredients in and give it a stir around. Get a nice floury deck. Spread out. Yeah, spread it out. Get your dough and get on rolling. Use the cookie cutter to cut out your shapes. Keep doing it until you've used up all your dough. And then put it in the oven and wait for it to cook. Once they're all shaped, place them all on a tray and cook for 20 minutes in the oven at 160 degrees. Now that they're all on a tray, let's pop them in the oven and wait for them to cook. My cookies are now done and I've got my dog ready to eat. Come on, let's go over. Sit, shake, treat time.